Hi there, it's Rebecca from Rebecca Art Tutor, back with another video. So I was thinking about what video to do in December, and I felt that I wanted to do something themed with Christmas, but I just didn't know what. And as usual, I've left everything quite late for Christmas, so I'm going to make some Christmas cards today. And I thought, why not film it, because it might give you some inspiration for making your own Christmas cards. So let's get into it. I was walking, and as I was walking I was picking some festive foliage, and I thought that I would base my designs on this foliage because I really like to draw leaves, plants and flowers. I will probably create some stylistic type designs, but I think it's always good to look at the real thing if you can. So I've got some holly, some pine cone and some ivy here, and I'm just going to get some rough inspiration from this foliage for my designs. I remembered that I had drawn some foliage a few years back in one of my sketchbooks, and I found these ink drawings which I really like, and I think that they would make a really nice Christmas card. So I decided to do something along these lines. These ink drawings were done with a brush, a dip pen, and maybe do finer details with these highlighters. So it's going to be kind of tonal, greys, blacks, and then I'm going to put some red berries. So I think the idea is forming. I just wanted to show you the materials that I'm going to be using. So I have Indian drawing ink, which is black. I've also got my dip pen, which is like a fountain pen. You dip that into the ink. I've also got a brush. This is just a watercolour brush. And for the finishing touches, I've got my Micron fine liner pen. I hope you found that interesting and inspiring, and hopefully it's got across the idea that it isn't that hard to create something that is hand-drawn or hand-painted that you can make into a greetings card. I know that my friends and family really do appreciate the time I take to create something that's handmade, and I think it's a really nice thing to do. I am planning to have a little bit of a break over the holiday period, and this will be my last video for December. So I shall be back in 2025 with new content, and I'm really looking forward to creating that content and coming back with all these new ideas Please do like, subscribe and share the video if you have found this content valuable, and I shall wish you a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and I shall see you next year.